So when we create this problem, it even, right now, yours doesn't have the answer, but you're going to use two different colors. You're going to use red and blue. So when you're in Notability, you have two different colors you get to choose from. What we're going to do is you're going to take the blue, and we'll have red and blue string. You're going to take the blue string, and that's the number that you're going to start with. And then on a number line, we always start at what? 0. So I have to start at 0 and go up to 8. So here's my 0, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's my first mark. And I'm using my blue color on my Notability. Then, so one person is going to stand here, or the second person is going to go to the tick mark of 8. The third person is going to start where? Where are they going to start? Back at 0 or at 8? 8. They're going to start at 8. So then the third person is going to stand here at 8. And it's adding a negative. So I'm going to go left, how many? So I go, here's 8. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm showing my arrow going backwards. I'm going to bring my line down, circle it, and then what's my final? So that's person 1, person 2, person 3, person 4, person 5 is going to figure out the answer, and then you write it on your line. In Notability, I want you guys to do that right now. Use the blue to go up to 8, and then you start with the red and go backwards. Say that again.
So we have 5 markers?
Yes. It has to be 5 people per group. There, maybe you guys can see that a little bit better. I'm going to do one more example. So where do I start? I start at 0. This is a negative 11. And I'm going to start down closer because it's a little bit easier for me to see. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Stop there. So one person holds it, the other person walks backwards. Then my third person starts at negative 11, and it's a minus 8. So am I going to go left or am I going to go right? Well, let's write this down. If it's subtraction, what's the rule for subtraction? Keep, change, change. So I'm keeping the negative 11, which I already did, changing the subtraction to addition, so you're going to put the addition sign, and I'm going to change the negative to a positive. So now I am adding a positive 8. So what direction am I going to go? To the left or to the right?
Right.
And how many? 8. So I started here and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put my line down and circle it. Well, that would be a negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So negative 3 is my answer. I want to see all the markings, and if you get to a subtraction problem, you're going to write keep, change, change. I think it might be better to rewrite the problem, negative 11 plus 8, because I rewrote the problem to my keep, change, change. You're going to continue doing this for the 10 problems on the worksheet. 2 different colors. And we're going to finish the worksheet, and you'll make sure you put the answer on the answer line.